Hi, my name is Nicole. I'm applying for the Go Study Abroad Scholarship for summer 2011 in Japan. I'm currently in a rather drab hotel room at the tail end of a business trip in Shanghai on my way back home. I found a program called KCP Language Institute in Shinjuku through the University of Idaho. I found it on the IIE Passport website. It's especially important to me to do this particular program because my university does not offer a summer study abroad program in Japan, and the credits transferred from University of Idaho would allow me to complete my degree at the end of the summer, as I will graduate directly after completing my study abroad requirement, a bit of an odd situation for most students. Furthermore, this type of study will assist me in my future career as a foreign service officer. At this point in time, I've completed the exam, finished the personal narrative, and am anxiously awaiting the results to see if I have an interview with the Foreign Service in Washington, D.C. next month. I need this sort of experience in order to be an accurate representation of my culture and to understand other cultures. It would also assist me in a position in a private company, which would hopefully allow me to travel frequently between Japan and the United States. As any position I'm in, I greatly wish to have multiple cultures involved. Then there's also the question of why Japan. When I was a child, I was interested in Asian culture, and I loved Asian art, even though I couldn't tell the difference between China and Japan. As I grew older and learned the difference, I found that I was very much drawn to Japanese art, specifically animation and manga, a fairly typical answer. My high school has a sister city program with Sendai Japan, and through it I met many Japanese exchange students, some of which I'm still friends with today. They promoted my interest in the language and the culture, driving me to make the 1.5-hour each way trip to a junior college outside of my area to study Japanese before I transferred to the university, and further driving me to seek the double degree that I'm pursuing that would require me to take 2 years of Japanese at one time, in addition to a senior thesis in Japanese. This study abroad is the final requirement in my degree and is of utmost importance to me. Finding it was a dream, and my school is willing to accept it. Now all I need is the help to get through it. どうもありがとうございます。